with this good relations, we are moving forward. It is much better than 1 year ago.
Would you be likely to recommend it to other people?
Yes, it's solving a lot of problems. For Nicola, good guy is the word.
Okay. And on a scale of 1 to 10, how satisfied are you with the services that we provide?
9, 10.
So, how are you doing today?
Not bad, you?
Me too. Thank you. Thank you for asking.
Today is holiday here.
Great. So, relaxing, yeah?
Yes.
Great. So I'll start by introducing myself. My name is Vlada. I represent the ITcare company, and the whole team thanks you for being open to today's discussion. I would like to specify if you are okay with this discussion being recorded.
Mm-hmm.
So, as we appreciate each and every client, we want to have a professional and loyal collaboration. It's very important for us to maintain this relationship and to know that you as our client are satisfied with the services provided by ITcare, and the collaboration with the staff that is responsible for your project is an efficient one, and the solutions of the problems that arise are fixed promptly. The reaction time is one according to contractual conditions. So the purpose of this call, of this meeting, is to receive objective feedback from you, which will later help us understand what stage of professional collaboration we are at, and to also maintain a good relationship in our day-to-day activity, as well as to increase the degree of customer satisfaction. So are you okay with answering some questions related to the collaboration between ITcare and your company?
Mm-hmm.
Could you please start by introducing yourself and telling a few words about what activity your company does?
Mm-hmm. My name is Hakan Akan. I'm the founder of the Gridtelekom company. I have been in the business for the last 26 years. In the last few years, we are suffering from the human resource in Turkey. Good, talented people are going abroad, and the level of education has decreased. We start to look for resources outside of Turkey.
Yes.
This is how we met with ITcare and Andriy Wisniewski.
Yes.
And now we are working almost 2 years with them. With this good relations, we are moving forward. What we are doing is a 7/24 business, so we have to run the company in technical manner.
Yeah.
So we have no problem to reach them out of work hours. They support us out of work hours.
That's wonderful. Can you tell us a little bit about your company? As far as we know, you have 2 data centers in Turkey. Could
Yes.
you tell a little bit what services do you offer in those data centers?
We have 1 data center in Ankara, a large one, and the 1 data center in Istanbul. It's a little bit older. So in these data centers, we serve for co-location cloud services. And for the other side of our business, we are in infrastructure business and internet access business. Both sides are run by the same network team. In these access sites, we are running with our own fiber or with Gridtelekom's fiber. We are trying to move towards more faster and more technological solutions. with these, we are trying to increase the access capacity to our customers.
We are very happy to help you in that and to help with your project as well. Could you tell us, please, how did you decide to collaborate with ITcare at the initial stage? What made you choose us?
We have started with a project to increase our BGP security with Andrea. Then we start to talk about the other services. He offered us a continuous service, not project-based services. Then they came to Turkey, we met them, we start to work on solutions, and by natural means, we started to work together.
Okay. Could you detail some of the other projects that ITcare has helped you develop, or maybe some large-scale tasks that our team has successfully completed?
Yes. First issue is to clear out the mess in our routers, to run them stable and to clean up the static routes and turn them to a dynamic routing scheme. We are still working on this because it's a large issue, it's a large project. And we are coming to the point where we can change our broadband access services to a new virtual broadband access system.
Yes.
Called VBNG. Nowadays, this is our main concern, but in the long run, our aim is to make a automatic configuration system running for our provisionings.
Yes.
So we are entering the data to the systems that will be the foundation of the network structure and automation system. And I think towards the end of this year, we will be running this system.
Well, thank you for detailing that. Regarding the current projects that we are working on, can you share some details about the new technology that will allow Gridtelekom to provide internet access at a faster speed to your customers, or is this confidential information?
Okay. We are working for new type of optical services. One is XGS PON. XGS PON is about the current passive optical network speeds.
Yeah.
There are versions of them, but the current version is 10G optical networking. And secondly, we are searching for XR optics, which is a product of Infinera company.
Yes.
It can provide 26 to 25 gigahertz services towards customer with single fiber and like the GPON optics, GPON systems with splitters. Also, one more issue is open networking. Vendor dependency is creating a lot of hassle in telecommunications companies. So open networking is making it much feasible. We have changed our core networking towards open networking, and then we will increase our access network towards this.
And in terms of the reaction time of the engineers when there was an incident or an emergency, how responsive were they?
There is no problem with that. It's very acceptable levels.
Do you have any emergency that happened that ITcare helped solve, or can you share any details about an emergency case maybe that happened?
The rates of incidents of this kind is getting less and less as the network moves towards more simplistic and clean sites. It is much better than 1 year ago. So we had some cases where we access to Nikolai and ask him to solve the problem. I don't remember in the last few months, but it has been such cases where they give the support.
Okay, thank you very much. That's wonderful to know. Can you say, or do you think there are any particular aspects that you would like to improve when working with our staff? Mm-hmm. And if so, which ones do you want to change, and which ones you appreciate the most?
There's a need for project management stuff to be done. Okay. This means to clear out responsibilities, to work in a timely manner, to care for the deadlines. So now we are in the phase of writing our targets for the next 1 year. Because there will be an election on May, and things may change a lot in Turkey. We are going to present this to ITcare team and try to make it a more scheduled issue. Then we will move more professionally, more timely manner, and more result-oriented way.
Wonderful. We're looking forward to that, of course. Regarding the new tasks which might have emerged during the working process, how adjustable was the team to new requests that might appear during a project?
I don't feel any problem on that. They are always responsive.
Okay.
Just I am saying that as two teams working on one issue, synchronization is more critical. Firstly, our team needs to be more responsive to schedules and project-based working, result-based working. Then they need to ask from ITcare team to do that. That's the current modification issue. But okay. This is two-sided, not one-sided.
Yeah, so there should be some improvement in the communication between the two teams. Yeah. From what you said, I would say that there are new projects emerging. So are you looking forward to continuing your collaboration with ITcare? And would you be likely to recommend it to other people, the services that we provide?
Yes, it's solving a lot of problems.
If you were to choose 3 words that would best describe your experience with ITcare, what would those words be?
For Nicola, good guy is the word.
Okay.
For ITcare, professionality. I think with respect to the part of the world that we are in, both Moldova and Turkey, your approach is more professional than the average of the countries that we are.
Very good to hear. Mm-hmm. And on a scale of 1 to 10, how satisfied are you with the services that we provide?
9, 10.
9 out of 10. Wonderful. Great. Thank you very much. Actually, this would be the end of our discussion. And I would like to know if you have any questions or suggestion or proposal in this regard.
No.
No? Okay, wonderful. Thank you very much. It was a pleasure discussing with you and knowing your opinion in the regards of collaboration between us. We for sure make efforts to improve the working process. Thanks for choosing us, and I wish you the best of luck in the upcoming projects, and looking forward to new ones between your company and ITcare.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you.